For today's video, I'm going to Samyot MRT station going to Chinatown. Riding trains is like you need to stand. You don't need to carry much with you. Fanny pack or money belt that you can wear underneath your clothes is better. From Petrograd station going to Samyot MRT, if you're going to Chinatown, you have to pay 30 baht, which is like $1. The subway station was newly opened from July 29, 2019, from Wallapung Station, Chinatown, around the Royal Palace, and further across Chao Phraya River. The station has opened. Once you're overjoyed and you didn't notice the time, just don't panic. Ride 56 bus going to Carlson Road. This station, MRT Samyot, is open only from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. This MRT extension is a test drive only, but I know getting out is really a nightmare. That's why we have to bear in our mind that this is only until 4 p.m. One thing I observed to this mall, from first floor, second floor, third floor, these are all toys. So these are all for kids. So a lot of toys as you can see, whether boys or girls, it's like gonna be gray in this mall. So, but it's my first time also to come over here. A walk will take you to the Old Siam, Pahurat Market, Mega Plaza, China World, making it easy to get to Chinatown. There are many small streets and alleys full of shops and vendors selling all types of goods. This is a back-to-back of Mega Plaza, Kids Toys Mall, and this is the China World. So I don't know what's heading in this or what do they sell in this, but it's also first time for me to come inside. Let's see. Uh, this is awesome. 100 baht of shorts, 250 of what is this? Slacks. These are all what the Muslims love. The Madam Heng. All halal. This is what is this? Please dress appropriately to visit Gurudwara Sahib. Oh, this passage is only for Sadsanganji visiting Gurudwara Sahib. It's no general throughout about this. I think cannot go inside, but it looks good. Sikh heritage. Any human being who faithfully believes in one immortal being, 10 gurus from Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the Guru Granth Sahib, the utterance and teachings of the 10 gurus, the baptism bequeathed by the 10th Guru, and who does not owe allegiance to any other religion in him. It's my first time to visit Indian temple. I don't know if you call this temple. I'm not pretty sure on that. But please remove your footwear before going any upper floor. Yes. Oh, they were all sick because I see they were like wearing turban. So if you are Indians or Pakistani Muslims, so if you can also visit in here, Thai Sikh International School. Todi Mehala, our heart Charan Hriday, our Darai Simar Swami Satigur Apuna, Karad Safal Hamare, Nung Wan Rihano, meaning I have enriched the Lord's peace within my heart, contemplating my Lord and Master, my true Guru, all my affairs having resolved one pose. India Emporium, this has to be the sari capital of Bangkok. And this area, you will be fascinated. With all of this, with all the vendors supplying street food, clothing, and everything Indian. With this, suggest India Emporium is from ethnic wear to accessories, from home decor to handicrafts, they have it all. And their aim is to offer an Indian shopping experience to the entire world. The smells, the noise, and the atmosphere is hectic but compelling, well worth a visit. Can I look at the picture? I like to hear what you're doing, but it's not the same like what I produce now. What's the sounds? All of that. It's like for refreshing mind, body, soul. This big is okay. Why this one? This, but although this is heavier than bigger one, but this one is. You create a good song. Wow, such an amazing sound. Is this like an Indian thing, Buddhist thing, Hindu thing? Nepal. Wellness? Where? Where? Do you have a business card? I like the way you talk and do this thing. It's like that. Oh, this one. Reaching here to Tanon Pahurat, wherein this is the real market in Chinatown that we have to go inside. Chinatown is a big selection of batiks, sarongs, and general fabric. At daytime, it's no less busy. It is also known for foods and Chinese herbs, but not expensive. Reaching here to Chinatown as usual, I'm thirsty and I need a snack, so I have this. It's like a only no creep and tea. So, yes, don't forget to press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!